What's up guys, today we will go over the framework, and that's definitely a new favorite word of mine, framework. So we will go over the framework that we need to follow in order to lengthen the duration of any song that we want. So first things first, you gotta import your song into Adobe Audition and then create a multi-track session. Put the clip onto that timeline. Hit enable remix and let Audition do its thing. And you can use this approach when you have a song that you really like and you want to use that onto a certain project. It's just that the project goes for longer than the actual song, so you can remix it seamlessly into Adobe Audition, which is done with its analysis. And I want to change the duration of the clip to 4 minutes and 35 seconds. And just like that, I have a 5-minute duration song from 2.5. So the duration is not that precise, the duration that you set. That's why it says target duration. Depending on the song and the beats and the complexity and all that, the software will automatically adjust the duration so that it can make seamless cuts into the remix, if that makes sense. One such cut is here, can be identified by the zigzag type of line. Did you notice anything off? No, so it made a seamless transition and a seamless type of loop, which works perfectly. So this works best for songs where you don't have any vocals, right? It works for those as well, not as well as it does for these. As you just saw or heard, it's a very seamless transition, a seamless cut that Audition just did. So hopefully you found this useful, and until next time, take care.